Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So we have a bad just. So, for the bad, just what we need to do. So now coming into the bad just. See various organizations. They have some HR policies, and in these HR policies what happened? They have some policies which is related to rewards and recognitions. So rewards and recognition is something where the lot of organizations they used to have some. Rewards and recognitions concept, where they give the employees some awards on a monthly basis or on a quarterly basis or on a half-yearly basis. They will be giving some awards as a token of their performance and to motivate them and to reward them and to appreciate them. Okay, so for that they have some certain policies in the organization. Those policies what they have done. In SuccessFactor, we came up with a concept called bad just. Okay, so these bad just is a tool which is there in SuccessFactor where we can able to go and do the configuration for the bad just, and any manager, direct manager or indirect manager can able to give the bad just to that employee in term of the I say token of appreciation. Okay. So, for example, if you have a manager, so you have a manager and you are handling two projects. One project is with one company based in US and another project is another company based in France. Okay, for both the projects, you have a different project managers. Okay, for both the project, each project manager will be having an evaluation about your performance and they can able to give the feedback to your manager. Okay, so that feedback can be also in term of bad just also. So each project manager can able to update or give the feedback with the help of certain bad just, and that will help us. The manager for going for the annual performance evaluation, performance rating also. It will be also accountable. Okay, so, going into the system, I will show you how this bad just configured, that I will show you from a consultant side, and I will also show you, as a manager, how a manager can able to provide the bad just to an employee. Okay, so I'm going back into the system. So I will duplicate the screen. After duplicating the screen, one screen what I will do. I will try to open in the source in a moment. Okay, I'm opening a user here. Okay, I'm opening this user, and this is so when I'm searching here, I'm going into an employee profile. This is an employee profile, which is also known as a people profile. Okay, which is also known as a people profile. So now here in the employee profile of the people profile, these sections which you are seeing, This is the standard sections, personal information, employment compensation, payroll time benefit, talent. These are the standard one. Additionally, these are the some custom which somebody has created it. Okay, each section will be having the subsection. You can see we have some subsections also. Okay, so these subsection, each subsection now when I'm going here in this subsection is subjection is again connected with a portlet. Okay, and this is called as a portlet. The rectangle box is called as a portlet. Okay, and this each portlet will be having some standard fields are there. Okay, we can also have the custom field. How can we create that? I will show you when we start with the employees. Okay, so now when you go into each section, so I'm going with biographic, I can see certain fields are there. Then when I go with nationality ID, we can able to go and create it. We can go with address information. We can see certain fields are there and the values has been created. Similarly, this is a section, this is a subsection and this is a portlet. This is a portlet. Okay, so each section will be having a subsection and a portlet. Okay, now coming here into the badge, guess why we were discussing more into the badges. But before going into the budget, it was important for me to have an overview about the employee profile. Okay, so in the employee profile we have these sections. You have a subsection and a portlet. Now each section will be having some subsections. You can see here. These are some subsections. Are there? Okay, these are some subsections are there. Okay. So when you want to go into the badge, just you can see this is one of the subsection in the talent profile. We have the subsection and you can see. When you click on the badge, just you can see there is an option for the end user where the end user can able to provide a badge. When you click on the give that you can see these are some apps are there where the stops will be showing. And when you open the tab, you can see the badge. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can see. On 8 badges are the standard badge and we have a custom badge also, is there? Okay, somebody has created. So among this, we can able to select the badge. And, after selecting the badge, we can able to mention the comment and we can able to save it. That is from the end user side, from the manager side. You can able to go and assign these badge just to the employees. But from where these badge just are coming, that is, from the consultant side. We need to understand. So we go into the another screen. And the configuration tool which we are using is Manage Badge Just. So when you are going into Manage Badge Just, okay, this is the place you can see. All the 8 badge just are there and the custom badge just which is already being created here. We can able to see these badge just. And you can see a lot. Sign is there. Log sign specifies that these badge just which is being created, those badge just are already been. Those bad just are already been assigned to certain users. Okay, so those bad just assigned to certain users. So that is the thing, it is in the lock state, that bad. So we cannot edit it. We cannot delete those bad, just. Got it. Now show.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.